Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyze Mobiz, a tool that claims to create scalable, personalized SMS landing page to improve engagement and conversions. Mobiz lets you leverage your customer data insights to send individualized SMS landing pages that build loyalty and boost your bottom line. It's an alternative to SMS Bump and Yotpo. And so what's the main thing about that deal? Mobiz will create your SMS campaign using an SMS landing page. So literally you will send an SMS to your customers with the landing page, and then your customers can automatically check out the deal, your product, your service, and then take action based on your campaign and all the Mobiz features. As you can see here, you have up to 4 tiers, and the difference is the amount of contact you can carry and also the number of SMS credits per month. You need to check out that the SMS per month is to US and Canada. So they are not worldwide, but only US and Canada. If you get up to the tier 4, you get unlimited contacts and much more SMS per month. Okay? So let's check out how the tool works. The dashboard is pretty simple and intuitive, and everything's based on creating a new campaign that we are gonna see it in some moment. But first, I'm gonna tell you that they have Zapier integration, so you can, for instance, integrate Mobiz with MailChimp or your Google Sheets or even Type4, Gmail, etc. They have a built-in CRM where you can upload your contacts one by one or importing using a CSV. While you're importing your contact, you can add their mobile number. Remember, they have by now only Canada and United States. You can add their first name, last name, email address, and other kind of data that you're gonna use to create your campaigns. You can create a list to store your contacts. So let's create a random list. You can add also a description to that list. And then you can add your contacts on list like any CRM. So here you can see that it's super simple to create a contact and also a list. To add more contacts to Mobiz to then start your campaigns, you can use a growth tool that is called text to join keywords. So literally your customer will send a text to your receiver number, the number that you are using to use Mobiz, and they will be added automatically to your Mobiz CRM. And let's check out how the campaigns actually work. As you can see, when you create a campaign, you can choose to send with Mobiz. So you can send a standard SMS or an SMS with a landing page to your contacts, or you can use your own sender. For the sake of that review, let's send with Mobiz, and you click here. And here you can see that they have many templates that you can use to your SMS campaign. And I think that you already understand how that tool works. You will send an SMS to your contact with the link to the landing page, and then your customer will be able to take action. So let's, for instance, select that design. So here you can see that you can change everything on the landing page, and it's pretty simple. You have the blocks here where you can change the text on the left, on the right. For instance, changing the text, it will automatically change on your landing page here. You can add default values as, for instance, first name, so your customer will receive the landing page personalized with their names. You can change the style, you can change the button text and also the style, the color. Here, for instance, on that landing page, the call to action is shop sale. So for instance, on your destination URL, you are gonna add your destination product. So where your customers will buy your product, that can be your e-commerce website directly on the product link. So after you design your landing page, as you can see here, you're gonna customize the SMS. So which kind of message your customer will receive. For instance, hello, first name, take a look at campaign URL, stop to opt out. If they type stop, they will not receive any more message. So here the default value is first name. They will receive the message with their name, for instance, John, Maria, etc. So that's the main thing. Your customer will receive that message with the link to your landing page, and then they can click to buy your products. And here you're gonna add the context. I have no context here, but it's, as I just told you, it's pretty simple. You have a CRM built in, and then you're gonna select, for instance, 10 contacts that you're gonna send that SMS. Then you can review your campaign to check if you want to change anything. You can even send a test SMS to yourself. Remember, it's only work with Canada and United States by now. And it's done. You click send here and it's done. Your campaign is started. So Mobiz is a tool to use the SMS in your advantage to convert buyers, leads, etc. They have a CRM built in, a design landing page built in, and you receive monthly SMS with the deal. That's a pretty good deal if you are into SMS marketing campaigns. If you like that deal, just click on the link below. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.